Hey everyone, today we're comparing Canva, Notion, and Spreadsheet templates to see which one's the best for making money. Let's break it down quick and simple, then figure out which shines for what. First, Canva. Canva is a design tool with tons of templates for things like social media posts, flyers, and presentations. You create eye-catching graphics, sell them on platforms like Etsy, and make cash. It's super easy to use even if you're not a designer. But the market's crowded, and Canva's free template library means buyers might not need your designs. You could earn $100 to $1,000 a month with good marketing. Next, Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for organizing tasks, projects, or budgets. You can build custom templates like planners or trackers and sell them to productivity fans. Notion doesn't have a huge free template library, so there is more demand for unique designs. Top creators make thousands, but beginners might see $200 to $500 a month. It takes time to learn Notion's system though. Now, spreadsheet templates. Think Google Sheets or Excel. These are for number crunchers who need budgets, business trackers, or financial plans. You can sell templates on sites like Teachers Pay Teachers. They're simple to make if you know spreadsheets, and demand is steady, especially for niche markets like small businesses. Earnings vary, but $100 to $500 a month is common for starters. So how do they compare? Ease of use. Canva is the easiest. Drag, drop, done. Notion's trickier with a learning curve. Spreadsheets need some math skills but are straightforward. Market demand. Notion templates have high demand due to fewer free options. Canva's market is saturated and spreadsheets are steady but niche. So which wins? Canva is great for quick, visual designs and beginners who want to start fast in a competitive space. Notion is best for big profits if you've got time to learn and market to productivity nerds. Spreadsheets are perfect for those who love numbers and want a steady, low-effort side hustle. Pick based on your skills and goals. Want faster and fun? Go Canva. Big money? Try Notion. Numbers you think? Spreadsheets. Thanks for watching. Let us know your favorite in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.